If you're in Deer Park or a nearby Long Island community and your AC isn't cooling the way it should, this video is for you. Pristine Air Heating and Cooling provides residential AC repair service throughout this part of Suffolk County, and this is what that service looks like in practice. Most AC repair calls in this area start the same way. Something isn't right with the comfort in the home. The AC might be running, but the house stays warm. The airflow might feel weak at the vents. The system might start and stop more often than it should, or one room cools fine while another stays stuffy. These are the symptoms that send homeowners looking for answers. The service area covers Deer Park and the surrounding communities: North Babylon, Wyandanch, Babylon, Brentwood, Farmingdale, Bayshore, Dix Hills, and Melville. These are established residential neighborhoods, a mix of post-war subdivisions, ranches, colonials, split levels, and newer construction with heating and cooling systems that reflect decades of installation and upgrade history. The first step on any call, regardless of the town, is diagnosis. A diagnostic visit starts with what the homeowner is noticing and works systematically from there. That means checking the outdoor condenser, the indoor air handler or coil, the thermostat signal, airflow through the system, electrical components like the capacitor and contactor, and any refrigerant-related symptoms. The goal is to understand what the system is actually doing before drawing any conclusions. Homes across this service area vary considerably. Some have older ductwork installed when the house was built. Some have condensers tucked into tight side yards with limited access. Some have attic air handlers that require a full stair climb to inspect. Some have systems that have been repaired more than once and carry that history. None of that changes the diagnostic approach, but it does affect how a visit is planned and what a technician is prepared for. So what does it mean for AC repair to be local in this area? It means understanding that homes in Brentwood and homes in Melville may have very different systems, different ages, different equipment, different histories. It means not making assumptions based on the zip code. It means arriving ready to diagnose the actual system in the actual home before recommending anything. After the diagnostic, the next step should be clear, not confusing. Whatever was found should be explained in plain language: what failed, what it affects, and what the repair involves. A written estimate puts that in writing before any work is authorized, so the homeowner understands what they're agreeing to. If your AC isn't cooling properly, whether you're in Deer Park, North Babylon, Brentwood, Bayshore, or anywhere in this part of Long Island, Pristine Air Heating and Cooling can help. Give us a call or schedule online. We'll inspect the system, tell you what we find, and explain your options before any repair work begins.